Hello everyone and welcome back to the BEILab channel. In our previous video, we explored the incredible capabilities of SAM for image segmentation tasks. Now, in this tutorial, we'll learn together the step-by-step installation process of the SAM model. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and stay updated on all things related to geospatial science and AI. Let's dive into the SAM installation process. To begin the installation process, the Anaconda platform must be installed on your system. If it is not yet installed, refer to our tutorial video for guidance on installing the latest version of Anaconda. If Anaconda is already installed, we can proceed. For the initial step, it is crucial to create an Anaconda environment to prevent compatibility issues between SAM and other packages. Navigate to the Start menu, search for Anaconda prompt, and open it. The command prompt window will appear, displaying the default environment set to the base. Then, to create a new environment, use the command conda create name SAM and press enter. Note that the SAM in this command is the optional name for your environment. In the subsequent step, a prompt will inquire whether to proceed with the process. Respond with Y for yes and N for no. Type Y and press enter to continue. Confirmation messages will follow, indicating the successful creation of the environment. Now that the SAM environment has been created, activate it by entering the command activate SAM and pressing enter. This command switches the default base environment to the activated SAM environment. Upon activation, the environment will change to the SAM, and everything is set for installing the SAM model within this environment. Now, open your browser and initiate a search for Segment Anything Model Anaconda to locate the installation details. Visit the official Anaconda website and navigate to the highlighted section. Copy the highlighted section and return to the previously opened Anaconda prompt window. Here, paste the copy command and press the enter button. As you can see, numerous packages are required for SAM. Agree to the installations by typing Y and pressing enter. The installation duration may vary based on your internet speed. Upon seeing the success messages, it is confirmed that SAM has been installed on your system. Now, close the Anaconda prompt, navigate to a folder where you want to create a Jupyter Notebook, type the CMD in the address bar, and press enter. In the command prompt window, type the activate SAM command to activate the recently created SAM environment. Before running Jupyter Notebook, install the ipykernel in the SAM environment with the command conda install C Anaconda ipykernel. Next, confirm the installation process by typing Y and pressing the enter button. The message below will confirm the successful installation of the ipykernel. Now, we should add ipykernel to the SAM environment with the Python m ipykernel install username equals SAM command. After adding, you will see this message that confirms a successful process. Now it's time to run Jupyter Notebook with the command Jupyter Notebook. The notebook will open in your web browser automatically. In this step, navigate to the upper right side of the page and locate the New button. This section displays the active environment in Jupyter Notebook. Click on SAM to initiate the creation of a new Jupyter Notebook. In the first cell of this notebook, type the import segment_anything code and run the cell to verify the successful SAM installation. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, we will explore how to use SAM for segmenting satellite images. Until then, stay curious, and see you!